Jenny, what do you think this man is doing? He is the ground, something like this. Something like what? Like this, That man is digging the ground with a shovel. Maybe he wants to plant a sapling there. Oh, I see. My problem is I'm not able to define and explain in English. Even if I know the words and terms, I'm not able to use them in proper sentences. It is there I get stuck. Jenny, this is not only your problem. This happens with almost everyone who is struggling to learn spoken English. Maybe they know the words and terms, but they find it difficult to explain or define places, people, and situations in English. Right, exactly. But I have a solution. I'm going to show you different varieties of pictures and scenes and teach you how to explain them in English. If you continue to learn using my method, soon you'll become fluent in explaining and defining a whole lot of situations, people, and places in English. Trust me, this method is very effective. So, are you ready to learn Jelly? This is a great idea. I'm absolutely ready. Focus on the picture for a few seconds and start thinking of the words that come to your mind. Now let me demonstrate. Here is an Indian woman operating a sewing machine outdoors. She is dressed in an orange sari. She is focused on her work, stitching fabric under the needle of the sewing machine. The woman is in a rural or semi-urban setting in India, with simple buildings in the background. Focus on the picture for a few seconds and start thinking of the words that are coming to your mind. Let me demonstrate. I can see a person using a large chef's knife slicing a red onion on a wooden cutting board. Several slices have already been chopped. I can also see some green herbs and a bowl containing bell peppers. The person must be preparing food in the kitchen. Focus on the picture for a few seconds. Now let me demonstrate. I can see several children interacting with a giraffe at a zoo. The children are standing behind a fence, extending green leafy branches towards the giraffe to feed it. The giraffe is reaching out with its long tongue to take the food from their hands. The setting is an outdoor enclosure with wooden structures and lush green vegetation. Focus for a few seconds. I can see a toddler standing with his back to the viewer, looking out of the window. The child has light-colored hair and is wearing a light-colored top and patterned bottoms. The window has multiple panes and the frames are painted white. Outside the window, blurry green trees and a distant hill or mountain is visible. It appears to be daytime. Focus for a few seconds. I can see a woman in an office setting tripping over a tangle of electrical cords on the floor. She looks shocked as she loses her balance. The office room includes a desk with a computer, an office chair, and 2 cabinets with files. It seems to be an accidental workplace incident. This method of learning English is very effective. If you continue to watch these videos attentively, following the explanation sincerely, a time will come you'll not only learn new words and terms, but also learn how to explain them, how to express whatever you see right in front of your eyes. What can be better than that? So stay tuned. Hit the like button and subscribe to my channel Access Spoken English to watch more videos on spoken English. See you soon. Bye-bye.